we are going to celebrate the festival Harela. Harela is celebrated in the month of Shravan according to the Hindu calendar, which marks the rainy season. It is celebrated thrice every year. The first one is celebrated during Chaitra Navratri. The second one is celebrated during Sharad Navratri in the month of Ashwin. And today we are celebrating the third one, and that is Sharan Harela. Now here is Lakshita Anand for the thought of the day.
Good morning everyone. Today myself Lakshita Anand is going to deliver a thought and its explanation on the topic Harela. So the thought of the day is, when you are green, you are growing. When you are ripe, you rot. I repeat. When you are green, you are growing. When you are ripe, you rot. So in this thought, the human being is compared with the nature or greenery. It says that if the person's heart is young, he will be forever young. But if he starts feeling down or old, he will be forever old. So, on the occasion of this Harela, let all of us make our heart green, plant more and more trees. Wishing you all a very happy Harela. Thank you.
Wow, what a wonderful thought indeed. Now, I would like to call Nyasa Ehlamat for the article, followed by Dinesh Kapan. July 16 marks the auspicious day of a noted Hindu festival called Harela. It is celebrated in the anticipation of a good harvest. To mark the occasion, villagers make their idols of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, celebrating the wedding of two deities. Seeds sown in the place of worship in the household are offered to deities. Harela literally means Day of Green. This is widely celebrated by the people hailing from the agriculture background. It is also the day when farmer begins the sowing cycle of their fields. Harela is celebrated mainly in Kumaon region of state Uttarakhand and some part of Himachal Pradesh. It is celebrated in the month of Shravan, which marks the rainy season. Thank you and have a wonderful learning day ahead. Stay home, stay safe.
जी रया जागी रया जुग जुग बची रया यो दीन यो मासा यो दीन यो मासा जी रया जागी रया सबों के भेटने रया यो दीन यो मासा यो दी.
Thank you Nyasa and Tanishka for sharing such interesting information with us. Now I would like to call Divyansha for the dance.
जी रया जागी रया
टाकीच्या त्वाल्या शिवजी का बागवान सजी फूल फुल्या छना अरे फूल फुल्या छना हा फूल फुल्या छना मुंड मधारू जातीरो घासी पोगाडुआ मला हात मधारू जातीरो रेशमी रुमाला सजे मुंड मधारू जातीरो घासी पोगाडुआ मला रेशमी रुमाला.
What a performance! This was really fun. Showstopper, Dad. Thank you and have a wonderful learning day ahead. Stay